AI finance is set to be the breakthrough that brings crypto to the masses. Today, we showcase how Supra is creating a truly autonomous and reflexive system for AI finance to operate fully on-chain for you by bringing together inbuilt automation, threshold AI oracles, or TAO, and native price oracles on our blockchain. In this demo, we'll see how the AutoFi app uses TAO, automation, and native oracle price feeds to create useful workflows for crypto users. Functionalities that you get only on Supra. Let's say you want to buy 0.05 BTC when its price is above 100,000, but only when the overall BTC market sentiment is positive. The AutoFi app takes this prompt and springs into action to help set up a limit order with a sentiment analysis score automation task for us. Here, we can fill in all the details for the trigger like the interval, the token, conditions, and sentiment score for this demo. In the finished version that you'll use soon, the AutoFi app will pre-fill these details for you to simply customize if needed. Now let's take a close look at how we get this sentiment score here. Supra's Threshold AI Oracle, also known as TAO, is built to bring AI insights on-chain in a secure, trustless, and decentralized manner. TAO queries can be set up using text prompts to analyze the sentiment of BTC on a scale of 1 to 10 for 10 iterations at a frequency of 20 seconds. That means our Threshold AI Oracle task runs every 20 seconds for 10 cycles. When we run this TAO query now, it gives us the first set of results in just 10 seconds. That's just the time needed by the AI agents using large language models to deliberate and conclude their results. So here we can see the sentiment score results of 4 AI agents in this early alpha of the TAO protocol. And in the summary section, we can see the final median score that the TAO protocol arrived at, which is published on-chain on Supra, and we can also see the hash of that transaction here. This is a simple yet powerful example of how Supra's TAO brings rich insights derived by AI on-chain in a trustless manner. Now, about 20 seconds later, we have our second iteration results as well. All agents have run their analysis and concluded on 7 as the sentiment score. Okay, let's head back to the AutoFi app to see how automation uses this score. Now, we just fill in the action we want this automation to take based on the sentiment here. Let's review it all quickly. So, when the price of BTC is above 100,000 and market sentiment is positive, which is denoted as 8 out of 10, this automation will buy 0.05 BTC in the very first block where all these conditions are true. Okay, let's run this now. We can confirm the transaction here. And just like that, the automation is running. This is what a live automation looks like. We can easily monitor it here. You can see that while the BTC price is above 100,000, it has still not met the TAO threshold of 8. The sentiment is still at 7. The 155 executions here is the total number of times automation has checked if the conditions have been met so far. It's being checked in every single block, which will be up to 3 times every second. In our wallet as well, the transaction has not taken place yet. We still have just 0.0001 Bitcoin. It's waiting for the first block where the sentiment reaches 8 or more, while the Bitcoin price is still above 100,000. Let's skip ahead a bit to see what happens when sentiment changes. Okay, the sentiment is still at 7 and the transaction still hasn't taken place, but that's about to change. Aha! The instant the sentiment goes up to 10, the automation is immediately executed in the very same block. It doesn't need to wait for you to trigger the transaction. It acts and executes immediately. We see the USDT was converted to BTC here. Let's take a closer look at our Block Explorer SupraScan. Yes, the transaction shows that USDT was converted into 0.05 BTC here. And we can see that it was triggered by the TAO update here. We can also go in and further verify the AI analysis updates from TAO on SupraScan here. It's all done transparently in a trust-minimized manner, as blockchain and crypto was always intended to be. This is the first instance of AI triggering on-chain automation safely. It's the most decentralized and trustless way to not only bring AI insights and knowledge on-chain, but to use it in really meaningful ways. The future of decentralized AI finance is going to be largely defined by the ability of bringing the best AI models on-chain and making it accessible to everyone. That's exactly what TAO and automation does. This is just one simple example of how TAO can be used on Supra. We will soon invite curious developers to try our Threshold AI Oracle service on a Supra testnet. The age of AI-driven AutoFi is almost here, only on Supra.